Hello. Today is February 17th, and it is about 11:40 in the morning. This is finally glued. Finished gluing it yesterday actually. So I wanted to get some footage. I've got about 2 more exactly like this one coming. One of them I've already textured the acrylic on the inside, so it's going to be textured glass. And I am unsure what to do with the third one. I have also got 2 more coming with smaller pentagon points and smaller four-sided points. So I got 2 more of those and then a 32 coming. And that's it so far. I mean, that's ready to go. So I wanted to get some video of this, and I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. And it's about to end in 7 seconds anyway, so have a good day, and I'll talk to you soon.